We got the 2020 Gexhaust AMG GTc. We're getting rid of the stock air boxes. We're slapping a performance air intake on there. As you can see, carbon fiber. Got the performance filters, the performance boxes. Now this is the Gexhaust vehicle. We got the GTc, we got the Supra, we got the Charger. So we're kind of switching it up for you guys. We're basically collecting these cars and modifying them for your viewer satisfaction. So there's pretty much no videos online about air intakes on a Mercedes or a GTc especially. So today we're doing that. We're doing that for you today. And this is something pretty cool. It's carbon fiber. So as you can see, it's got the carbon fiber tubes. Pretty sweet, pretty sweet. Fucking super light, if for performance. And then got two filters. You got the air boxes. Got these cool chest pieces so you can fucking boom, rook 2 to my knight 3. Playing chess out here, guys, not checkers. So we're getting some horsepower. Should make about 18 horsepower. It's got a V8 twin turbo, 4-liter V8 with a hot V. So the turbos on this car are right up top. So if you want to take a look, it's right here. You got two turbos right there. They're basically top mounted turbos, and then obviously turbos run on airflow, so the air intakes feed right into the turbo, and then these are the stock boxes, right? So this is a stock diverter valve from Mercedes. We're just gonna unplug that so we can get some turbo whistles, some it's gonna sound sick, guys. And then you got the carbon fiber tubes. They're gonna replace this right here, and then replace it here, and then get rid of these boxes, and let's make some horsepower, baby. Might get some more pops and bangs. Stay tuned. The Germans are smart. They put locks on their clamps. So if you did want to hold it open, you don't have to hold it with this wrench or with this plier. You just put the locks on there and then boom, it's loose. So you want to unlock it, you just open back up. The Germans know what they're doing, boys. So right now we're just taking off the stock air boxes. Took the initial intake tube off. We just got to basically disconnect these, take these off, take these two boxes out, disconnect these hoses, and then I'm pretty much exposed to start building the air box. So you know, moving this, yeah, well this stays, so it just stays open. So that's just a recirculation tube. It has no, it's like a a stock diverter valve. So normally the upgrade to this would be a blow-off valve, and it would just, you would hear that noise. I might order those a little bit later, but for now I'm just slapping these air intakes on there. And you know, if it's not enough, then I'll get the blow-off valves, and then I'll slap right up on here. So yeah, stock air box out. Got the map airflow sensor right there. Just gonna put this to the side for now. I might need these grommets. Oh no, it comes with new grommets. So it comes with these. You see those fucking things? Those chest pieces, bro. They look sick. They're like machined and everything. Stock air box. You can see the filter in there. Complete dog shit. The upgrade to this would be a K&N air filter available on our website. But you want to go with hardcore air intake. German specialized air intake. So we're opening it up, baby. We got this stock air box off on the passenger side. Map airflow sensor out. Gonna put this off to the side for now. And we do these videos just to show you guys that you guys can do this yourself, man. I'm not, you know, an engineer or anything like that. I just know how to work on cars. You're confident, you know, follow the instructions if necessary. But for the most part, you know, it's a pretty simple job. You just gotta have some faith and some confidence. So find Jesus. So right now I'm just taking off these original grommet mounts. Taking these out. Gonna hold them just in case I want to go back to factory in the future. These little chest pieces, huh? Little pawns. I'm upgrading them to queens. I don't know if you guys see them over there, but they're queen pieces. This is how you know you got a good air intake. When you upgrade from pawns to queens. Nice, really nice machined chest pieces. Damn, I dropped a fucking pawn, baby. Dropped a pawn. So now I'm pretty much ready for an air box. I'm assuming this is this side. Looks like the driver's side. Let me see. Fits like a glove. I'm going raw dog on this one, guys. Not trying to lose these babies. So I'm just screwing these air boxes in so they're stable. You don't get no play. Pretty simple install on this so far. Just gonna tighten those babies up. This is a roller for the door, the garage door. We're making tools out of it. So I got the stop couplings out. I'm upgrading it to these. These have a adapter for the bigger air intake tubes. These ones are pretty small. So we're swapping these out. I'm gonna pop these little vacuum lines back in. So we got the air intakes in there. We took a short intermission. Just had some time to clear my thoughts. Got the intake on there. A little bit of a bitch with these couplings over here. They're a little tight, but if you know what you're doing, just take your time and you make sure you put it in right, and that's about it. But got the intakes on there. We're about to crank it, double check for leaks, and make sure it sounds sweet. So the hardest part for sure with these stupid couplings, there's two little holes for two little breather ports underneath, and the aftermarket couplings are a little bit tighter or more narrow than the original ones. Also, the original ones were fucking NASA super glued in there, which was a nightmare. So they recommend grabbing a heat gun and heating up the glue, which is a nightmare. We ended up just taking a pick, breaking the glue off, and then snugging it out. So let me wash my hands. We'll crank this bitch up.